Quantum computing milestones unveiled. Imagine computers capable of solving problems current machines can't even approach. Welcome to the realm of quantum computing. In this video, we'll traverse the exciting milestones of this groundbreaking technology that's redefining computing power and potential. Quantum computing roots trace back to the strange world of quantum mechanics. Early theorists like Albert Einstein and Niels Bohr laid the foundational principles. Their theories sparked a revolution, planting the seeds for quantum computing's incredible leaps. The breakthrough of qubits marked a pivotal moment. Unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This discovery opened possibilities far beyond classical computing, enabling quantum computers to process enormous datasets and complex algorithms with unheard-of speed. Recent advancements by tech giants in building functional quantum processors have propelled this field to new heights. Companies like Google and IBM achieved significant milestones, demonstrating quantum supremacy, where quantum computers outperform the most advanced classical ones. As quantum computing continues to evolve, its potential impact spans across various industries. From cryptography and material science to artificial intelligence and medicine, quantum computing promises to solve some of humanity's toughest challenges and transform how we understand the universe. Excited about the quantum revolution? Keep up with the latest updates and dive deeper into its wonders. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and join the conversation with fellow tech enthusiasts. Together, let's explore the boundless possibilities of quantum computing.